Yeah, it's on. But you can see the little one sticking its head out, tweeting.
That's awesome. This might soon, let's say.
Yeah.
I know we could use another flirt too. Oh, you can't have it all.
There's another bird over there on that branch right by it, though. Oh, there it is. It's Mama. I got it. Yes. She just fed it.
Is the sunlight splattered on her? Is she only using the one hole?
That's what she said. Yeah. I haven't seen them use that other one. It doesn't look like it's complete, but actually she's headed up that way right now. No, she's going up the other branch.
That's the mail. Google it. It is a woodpecker, right? Or not?
Yes.
Just because it dug a hole doesn't mean it's a woodpecker.
Oh, that's a woodpecker. I mean, a lot of birds just make like a stick nest.